Okay, so here's the polynomial project part 2. So I'm not actually going to give the answers to mine. I'm just going to kind of give some clues to help you. So with the first one, it says question 6. Which form of the equation helps you determine the y-intercept? Question 7. How can you tell the y-intercept from that form of the equation? All right, so I will tell you this. The y-intercept is 0, 4. And so it's asking, am I looking here at the standard form or am I looking at the factor form? Now there's a clue. The y-intercept is 0, 4. So which of these do you think I'm using? And if once I pick the correct equation, where am I looking in the equation to find that? So that is just a clue for 6 and for 7. That you're going to have to figure out on your own. Question 8, does your polynomial have any imaginary roots? How can I tell? That's a good question. So I can see that there are two x-intercepts here. One of them is -2. Okay. The other one is -1. And -1, 0 is a double root. Okay. So I expected there to be 3 roots. 1, 2, because of the double, 3. And if I look down here, 1, 2, 3. So all 3 roots are accounted for. I'm not missing any roots. So that means mine does not. No. Mine does not have any imaginary roots because I expected 3. 1, 2, 3. And ended up with 3. 1. And this counts as 2 of them. 2, 3. So that's 3 there. The degree of my polynomial, you got to go look that up. If you don't know how to figure out the degree of a polynomial, Google how do you know the degree of a polynomial, and you'll have to learn how to do that. And then describe the end behavior of your polynomial. Again, I'm not going to give you the answer, but I'm going to give you 4 choices. It's one of these 4. Go back and look at the notes for that unit on end behavior, or you could do a Google search of end behavior, but probably the notes would be better. And that's pretty much it for the back. So, like I said, I'm not going to give you the answers. I'm just going to give you some clues, give you a little direction. Basically, I made this one multiple choice now at the end, so that you got a 1 in 4 chance of getting that right if you're not sure how to do that. So I hope that helps you with the back.